Good morning, everybody. Today is the day. Today is day 30. Can you believe it? Man, yeah, it's the final video, so I'll be going away for a while. I will be continuing to do the morning pages, but I will no longer be posting videos. I just want to say that I appreciate anybody who was watching these videos, who started writing the morning pages. For me, it was kind of cool to document it for 30 days and put it out there, and now it's there. I don't have to mess with it. If I ever teach one day, which I think about sometimes when I'm like 50 years old, I could be like, hey, I have a YouTube channel or an Instagram page, if that even exists. I'm sure it will. But I could tell people to check that out, because I just really, after reading about the pages in the artist's way, I thought they sounded really cool, and by doing them I learned a lot about myself, and I continue to learn a lot about myself. I continue to learn a lot about writing, and a lot of the things that it taught me was just how to show up to writing and get all of the anxiety of it all kind of out of the way. Writing sometimes would feel really heavy for me, something like I didn't want to do. Now it's just something that, I don't know, like I don't really stress about writing 3 pages. And it's not only like this is the only writing I'm doing a whole bunch of other writing throughout the day, but to just start off like this really sets the tone for me. It allows me to like really feel productive the first thing in the morning when I'm still not even all there. So it's like a lot of times when I record these videos, I just feel kind of like I'm in a daze, because it's like I just wake up. I wake up, I go to the bathroom, and then I'm here doing these pages. And yeah, so it's just been a really cool experience. I was thinking to have some sort of grand finale, grand sort of thing, but I don't know. It's just kind of, this has just become a routine essentially, and you could either do it or not do it. And for every writer, I think that they have their own process. Every artist, I mean, the main thing is that they're doing the work. And for me, another thing that it's done, it's like it's helped me improve my relationship with writing. I've been doing it for about 20 years now, and there were times where it was unhealthy, where I was doing it too much, or I was getting obsessed about things, and I was getting kind of locked into thought patterns that would just getting caught in like loops. So I'm trying to like loosen all of that stuff up so I could connect to that creative energy source like Julia Cameron talks about in The Artist's Way. So okay, let's get these pages on with it, and then I'll be back when I'm done. So today, day 30, is the 12th of July, or no, it's not. Today's the 19th, July 19th, and I'm still using the pen that doesn't have any ink in it, but it's still working, so I'm going to keep using this, see if it runs out today. Alright, here we go. Alright, page 1, page 2, page 3. That took about 30 minutes. I was writing slower today. I was taking my time, trying to write a little bit better with my handwriting. Alright, that's it. Wow. Wow. Day 30 is a wrap. Good morning pages, working through things in my mind, really coming to the conclusion that I really want to stop thinking as much. I've used a lot of my thinking brain for the majority of my life, and yeah, I'm working on shifting out of that. That's what it seemed to be telling me when I was writing the pages, and then as I was writing about whatever I was writing about, different sort of things, at one point, like a part of me, just like a different part took over, and I started writing, and it was like releasing things and letting things go, and things that I thought I let go and that I worked through that I was still kind of holding on to. So it was weird. It feels like like I could feel it like in my gut, like pulling out energies and releasing stuff, all that sort of thing. So thank you all again for going with me and watching these videos, if you've been watching them or whatever you've been doing with them. Yeah, I'm just like kind of drawing a blank right now. I've been talking about, so this pen obviously has not run out of ink, so that's one thing that's still ongoing. So, maybe I'll take a photo of it and post it when it is gone, but I don't know, maybe, probably not. But that's to wrap that up. And then also, I was talking about this humor piece for this newspaper. The editor has read it. He said he had some feedback on it, but he did not say if he's going to publish it or not. At this point, I don't really care. I wrote a reporting piece, a news piece that he reviewed, and that's good to go. So that will be in the next issue coming out here in August. So that's cool. And then if the humor thing gets in, cool. If not, I'm cool with that as well. I'm not going to let that really affect me. I mean, I wrote what I wrote, and I did what I did with that whole thing, and that's all you could really do as a writer. If people are into it, they're into it. If not, they're not. I mean, I'm not here to convince anyone of anything anymore, which I feel like I was for a while, especially as a writer. Now I'm just a person living on this planet for however long, and if my writing doesn't really go anywhere, I just don't. I mean, it'd be cool if it does, but I don't know. I just don't have that burning desire. I mean, I don't know. It's hard to explain. I just don't have that stress about it anymore. I'm also enjoying writing this even more. Just stream of consciousness. Just go for this much time and don't mess with it. So I don't know. We'll see what happens with the whole writing thing again. I'm going to, I got to get back to actually writing my sketch comedy book, because we have a deadline of September 1st to get these new pages to the agent. So I'm going to have to be on hold for this thing. Every now and again, I want to start reposting quotes and things like that, and different sort of information for writers. Maybe making some other sort of videos, not with the morning pages, but going to sorry, I'm getting like text messages right now, so I was reading it, and that was like messing with my thoughts, but yeah. So anyways, I'll be back eventually, but I need to get on to these pages, to this rewrite, because it's for the agent who we're submitting our book to. Represents Julia Cameron from The Artist's Way. So we got to I got some work to do. So the pages gave me the thing. I'm going to continue. Gave me a lot of stuff they gave me, and I'm going to continue doing them. And I'm just not going to be posting videos. If you've been doing the pages and they helped you, leave a comment. This is getting way too long, and I feel like I'm scattered. I'm still not, I'm not fully up right now. So not to make excuses, but that's just where I'm at. So thank you all. I really appreciate you all, whoever, just from liking the site and writing. I mean, we're all writers. We're all connected in some way. We all have a lot in common. The fact that we like doing this work, which some people find very strange. So thank you all. I appreciate you all, and I will see you all. And I love you all. And I'll see you all later.